The data that we capture and the way that we deliver our services, both to our internal teams as well as to our clients, meets that engineering domain expertise. So not only do I have a senior pilot who works for me who delivers on a majority of our projects, and an assistant project manager who helps keep the multitudes of different types of airspace and permits and all of our projects organized and running well, but we work very closely with our structural group and our BIM VDC group and have pilots actually in both of those departments as well, which allows us to take on different types of project work and leverage that expertise and that intuition, say for an inspection, to understand really what we're looking at and what's important to capture when we're following scan to BIM workflows, that we're really thinking about how that data is going to be processed at the end. And so we bring that expertise on site and have that be a part of our teams. Having that difference of expertise and difference of background really helps us approach projects in a holistic manner. We take on very large work for being a very small department, and that's in part successful due to the way that we have built our team and continue to expand our team. We have a core robotics group and a core research group, but very quickly that's expanding to include people from all different disciplines and domains, simply as a result of the technology almost being required for everything we do.